Hi, I'm Kirstin from ZEISS. The microscopy community has been buzzing with excitement about lattice light sheet microscopy. I'm excited to show you the ZEISS implementation of this technique. Let me demonstrate how easy it is to use it for your research. It simply starts with placing your sample in the incubation chamber. We first locate the sample in bright field mode, and then we adjust the focus. In the next step, we switch to fluorescence mode and start lattice light sheet imaging. The system performs a full volume scan and calculates a projection of the entire volume within seconds. And that's it. Now you can start your experiment. This amazing technology allows for the most gentle imaging of live cells. You can image subcellular dynamics over hours and even days. Want to learn more about lattice light sheet microscopy? Please visit our website.